Hi there, I am El from Country Comfort Farma. I would like to start with maybe apologizing because I am not an English speaking person. I am Maltese living in Slovakia. Together with my partner, we have Country Comfort Farma. Today I will be unboxing WoolCool samples, which is made out of 100% wool, so it is even recyclable. And these boxes are both good for cold food or hot food. Let's start unboxing slowly. So in this whole package, and I'm gonna read so that I won't make mistakes, we have 6 box sets. Box set number 1, box set number 3, box set number 4, box set number 5, number 7 and number 8, and we also have A4 and A3 insulated envelopes. So let's start with this. So this is box size 5. And this is all new to me because by coincidence I saw another farmer doing this. This is the wool. This goes in like this. You put the food, you cover it, you close it, and you send it easily to your customers. Why is WoolCool good? Because WoolCool is a pioneer in this system. Why are these boxes important for us? We, as a regenerative farm, where we use the permaculture system, believe in nature first. We always work with nature. And for us, WoolCool is an example of that. We can send in these our vegetables, our pork, lamb, rabbits, geese, ducks to any customer around Europe. They will arrive safe, they will arrive fresh, and the customer as well can reuse the box because the boxes are very sturdy. So this can take up to around 15 kilos of meat. For example, this is box number 7. Let's open the others and see what there is. I'm curious now, aren't you? There are more boxes. So let's close this. And again, see how nice it is. You close, you seal, and this can take up to 72 hours to arrive to your doorstep, and it will remain as fresh as when it left our farm. Box number 3. box number 4. I know what it is. These also come with their own ice packs. So even when we send them to you, you're gonna have ice packs which you can reuse and this is all even recyclable plastic. And let's see what the last box has to offer. So the waiting, in our case, when we send our products to Malta, we have to wait for 3, 4 or maybe even more orders so that we send them in bulk. Like this, you can have just one order which has 2 sausages, some bacon and some ham, and maybe a bottle of jam, which you can send them immediately, close, send. It's cheaper for us, it's cheaper for the customer, because normally we send in bulk to our store, and then the customer either has to go and collect it himself from the store, or we use another courier at the expense of the customer. So like that, we're cutting even more expenses. Last box. Oh. So, this is the last box. Box number 8, the biggest box. Let's see where we're gonna put it. So, this is the last box, number 8, which has a volume of 39 liters. It comes with the wrapping as well. This is just unboxing. Next time when we will be sending orders, I will show you how much things these boxes can hold. I'm very impressed. This is the first time I'm seeing them personally, because as I said before, I saw a homesteader and farmer saying that this WoolCool has facilitated their life in sending orders to their customers. I got hold of WoolCool myself. I spoke to a very nice gentleman who was very helpful. Dominic, thank you. We agreed that he's gonna send me samples for me to see, and here they are, and I'm really impressed. The quality of the carton is firm. The quality of the wool is amazing. Even the way it closes, as you can see, they are very stackable on each other. And these, I believe, are the envelopes. See, if you just have, for example, let's say a kilo of ham, you just can flip it, close it, send it. It's so simple. Even sometimes I have people who order, for example, 6 deer sausages. These you can simply put the deer sausages there, close, and send. Wow, I'm really impressed. This is bigger. For anyone who doesn't know how this system works, you have a QR code with pouch packaging video. So they even help you how to do the things. This is A3, this is A4, this is the large, which I believe can take even a leg of lamb. Just imagine, you put the leg of lamb, you put the ice pack, and you send it to the customer. Maybe you have 4 kilos max in sending, and you don't need to wait for the frigotrans to come collect, or you have to go and take the product, and then something happens to the truck and you have to wait that they get another truck instead. And like that, for us small businesses, this system is amazing. So as you have seen, we unpacked everything, and what is impressive about WoolCool, it's smart insulation made out of pure wool, reusable wool. For example, I send you this package, you remove the wool and you can fill even a cushion at home with this wool, because it's even, you can use it even for your composter. It's biodegradable. So this system is really environmentally friendly, and I'm sure that anyone who's gonna use it will be happy using these products. I look forward to use them. So the food will surely arrive perfect, because there are others who have tried it, and I look forward to try them myself, and even to hear from my own customers how the food actually arrived. I will have to work out now a different shipping system for our website. Any one of our followers on YouTube, our website is www.countrycomfortfarma.com. We are a new farm. We only have been 4 years since we started. So please continue supporting us even on our page. Please like, subscribe, and as I said, from now on the videos will be all in English. Please bear with me that I'm not an English speaker, but I'm trying my best to speak English. So please follow, subscribe, and like our page. Bye. Thank you.